Welcome to the in-office training of Eatance. Today we'll learn how to add a new customer via the admin panel. So let's begin. Sign in using the master admin credentials. Once we arrive at the home page, we have the dashboard in the center and the navigation panel to the left. Go to the navigation panel and from the menu listings, go to Users. Click on Users and from the drop-down selection, click on Manage Customers. This brings up the customer management page. As you can see, we have a list of already added customers. To add a new customer, click on the Add button. Here in the Add Customer page, we will add in details of the new customer. The first name, the last name, the contact number, the contact email ID, assign a password, the customer will use this password to sign in the customer application. Click on Submit, and as you can see, we have successfully added this new customer to the list.